In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an XML file in Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy method, and it works great if you want to view the contents of an XML file without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech videos. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your system is set up. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to find the XML file you want to view. Next, go back to the folder where your XML file is saved. This could be in your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or anywhere else on your computer. Take a moment to locate the exact XML file you want to open so you don't drag the wrong one by accident. Once you've found it, select your XML file. If you want, you can click once to highlight it and make sure you have the correct file. XML files usually have the .xml extension at the end of the file name, so double-check that before moving on. Now here's the main step. Click and hold your XML file, then drag it directly into the Open Chrome window. Make sure you drop it inside the browser, not outside on the desktop. As soon as you release the file, Chrome will load it automatically and display the XML content. After that, the XML file will open in Chrome, and you'll be able to read through the structure clearly. Depending on the file, you may see tags, text, and data arranged in a tree-like format that's easy to inspect in the browser. This is a fast way to preview XML files when you just need to view the contents. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go back to your XML file, select it, drag and drop it into Chrome, and it will open right away. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.